Hi, I'm Kelly at Book and Paper Arts, and today I have a midweek video to show you something that's new in my online shop. It is a handmade blank book for you to turn into an art journal. What I did was I assembled a variety of papers. High quality watercolor paper, vintage rice paper, maps, and different pieces of text, and tracing paper. And in between a lot of these, I added purple and yellow onion skins so that when this book was boiled, it turned these pages into echo prints. When the pages were assembled, I then tied it up with a heck of a lot of twine and a rusty key, and then I boiled it for a long time in some rust and tea. And there's the result. This is going to come in a box with lots of goodies to help you get started with your art journal. You can hit the ground running. It's going to have a 10 ml bottle of walnut ink and a 10 ml bottle of acorn ink. Acorn ink is kind of a charcoal color, and I made both of those myself. There will be some practical things, a water brush that you can use with water solubles. There's also a Yoo-hoo glue stick. It's the only kind I use. They have tons of slip. They're really good. And this is a mini mister or spritzer, and it is by Ranger. And I have tons of videos showing how to use misters and spritzers in your art journals. A bamboo dip pen. Let's see, this is a little hand-altered Altoid tin. I did that myself, so it's kind of a faux rust. And inside of that are a boatload of stamps, postage stamps from different countries. And then there is going to be this little paper pack to get you started. I don't know why it's so hard to untie. It was not easy to do in the first place. Let's see. And it has a variety of mini tags that you can use. You can put in your journal with a brad or with stitching, some twine. And then just a variety of fun, messy papers, including a lot of these dictionary smalls, which are from vintage dictionaries. Some tissue paper. And there you go. So if you would like to see the listing for all of this, for these art journal box bundles, the listing is in the text below this video. And that'll just take you to my website and my secure shop. If you have any questions, please let me know. Until Friday, when I have a proper art video, happy making.